are exploring a truly exceptional property in the heart of southwest France. Nestled amongst the rolling countryside of the Lot-et-Garonne and enjoying magnificent views towards the medieval bastide village of Monflanquin, this remarkable 17th century chateau offers the chance to own not simply a home, but a piece of French history. Monflanquin itself is officially recognized as one of France's most beautiful villages. With its arcaded square, charming cafes, weekly markets, and timeless atmosphere, it perfectly captures the character of this wonderful region. Surrounded by sunflower fields, vineyards, and historic bastide towns, this is an area that embodies the very best of French country living. As we arrive at the estate, the sense of occasion is immediate. An elegant central courtyard welcomes you, setting the tone for everything that follows. The chateau stands proudly within its landscape grounds, radiating centuries of history while retaining an understated elegance that feels both grand and inviting. Carefully restored over the years, the property has preserved its architectural integrity while adapting beautifully to modern life. Every room feels authentic, yet comfortable. Every detail speaks of craftsmanship, heritage, and quality. Stepping inside, we enter a magnificent central hall that forms the heart of the home. Natural light pours through the windows, illuminating beautifully proportioned interiors rich with original features and character. The reception rooms are a particular highlight. An elegant drawing room provides a refined setting for entertaining, while the library offers a quieter retreat, perfect for reading, conversation, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. The country kitchen is both practical and welcoming, fully equipped for modern living while retaining its traditional charm. Adjoining it is a spacious dining room where family meals, celebrations, and gatherings can be enjoyed in style. Throughout the chateau, there is a wonderful balance between grandeur and warmth. Despite its scale, this feels like a home designed to be lived in and enjoyed. The accommodation is arranged thoughtfully across the property. On the ground floor, 4 beautifully appointed bedroom suites each benefit from their own ensuite bathroom, offering comfort and privacy for family members and guests alike. 2 further suites are discreetly positioned within the upper wings of the chateau, enjoying lovely views across the surrounding countryside and providing additional accommodation without compromising privacy. The chateau is being offered furnished, with carefully selected pieces chosen to complement the spirit and elegance of the property. This creates an atmosphere of effortless luxury, allowing a future owner to begin enjoying the estate from day one. Beneath the chateau lies another fascinating chapter of its story. An extensive basement reveals a network of traditional wine cellars, including 7 original caves that have survived through the centuries. Additional storage areas and annex spaces provide practicality, while above, substantial attic areas and 2 large wings offer exciting possibilities for future development, subject to the necessary permissions. Outside, the lifestyle on offer becomes even more impressive. The grounds extend across more than 1.5 hectares of mature landscape gardens and parkland. Sweeping lawns blend seamlessly with established trees and secluded corners that invite exploration and relaxation. Whether enjoying a morning coffee beneath the shade of a mature tree, entertaining friends on the terrace, or simply taking in the views across the countryside, every aspect of the grounds has been designed to enhance the experience of living here. At the center of the garden sits a stunning heated saltwater swimming pool. Measuring an impressive 12 by 6 meters, it provides the perfect focal point during the warmer months. A charming stone pool house complements the area beautifully, while generous terraces create ideal spaces for alfresco dining, long summer lunches, and memorable evening gatherings beneath the stars. A fenced ornamental garden adds yet another layer of charm, creating intimate spaces within the wider landscape and reinforcing the sense that this is a property to be savored slowly. Practical features have not been overlooked. Oil-fired central heating serves the estate, while the infrastructure includes septic systems and extensive ancillary spaces that support comfortable year-round living. What makes this chateau truly special is the way it combines authenticity with livability. Many historic properties impress, but few feel so welcoming. Here, original fireplaces, generous proportions and centuries-old architecture sit naturally alongside the comforts expected of a modern country residence. Whether imagined as an elegant private family home, a luxurious retreat for entertaining, or a discreet hospitality venture, this is a property that offers extraordinary flexibility and enduring appeal. Properties of this caliber are becoming increasingly rare, with its historic pedigree, exceptional setting, beautifully restored interiors and breathtaking views towards one of France's most beautiful villages. This chateau represents a unique opportunity to embrace a lifestyle that many dream about but few ever experience. This is more than a home. It is a place where history, beauty, and the art of French country living come together in perfect harmony. Welcome to Chateau Life in the Lot-et-Garonne.